So if you have a loved one that's over age 65 and they're applying for long-term care benefits through masshealth or Medicaid, how does Medicaid look at their personal property, their accounts in other words? Well, folks, if the account is something like a jointly held savings account or checking account, Medicaid counts that whole asset, the value of that whole asset, toward the name of the applicant. Now, if it's something like a CD, IRA, money market, something with a beneficiary on there, once again, Medicaid will count the value of that asset. And remember, the individual cannot have any more than $2,000 in their name. Now, if it's something like a life insurance policy, remember life insurance policies vary, but in general, you can have a whole life policy which doesn't have an end period, and you can have a term policy which is for a specific period of time. These types of policies have cash surrender values on them, and if the cash surrender value is more than $1,500, Medicaid counts that toward the person's $2,000. They have to be cashed in and spent down. Dave Ceruolo, CeruoloLaw.com.